Welcome to this comprehensive walkthrough of the Hodlnaut crypto wallet, your ultimate platform for earning passive income with digital assets. In this video, we'll dive deep into its features, interface, and earning potential. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Hodlnaut platform, it's easy. Just transfer your assets to Hodlnaut and start earning competitive interest rates. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. First, we'll explore the homepage of Hodlnaut, highlighting its sleek and user-friendly design, making it easy to navigate even for beginners. The top menu bar provides direct access to key sections, including wallets, earnings, and settings. Signing up is simple. With just an email address, you can create an account within minutes. After creating your account, you can deposit cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins such as USDT and USDC. Hodlnaut ensures security with multi-layer encryption and cold storage solutions, providing peace of mind for all users. The earnings section is where the platform shines. Here, you can see real-time interest accruals on your deposited assets, with rates that are highly competitive in the crypto industry. You'll appreciate the daily compounding feature that optimizes your returns without additional effort. Additionally, Hodlnaut offers a seamless withdrawal process, allowing you to access your funds anytime without long waiting periods. The platform also provides transparency through detailed earning reports, giving you full control and visibility over your crypto investments. Hodlnaut is ideal for anyone looking to grow their cryptocurrency holdings passively, thanks to its high interest rates and user-centric approach. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or a newcomer, this platform has something to offer. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if you found it helpful. Your support helps us bring more valuable crypto content to you.